Hello everyone, Barb here from barbaderholt.closetomyheart.com. This project is my March Order Club Thank You card kit. I am using this really cool slimline thin cut that cuts out all those little hearts. Isn't that fun? So I used that to cut that overlay. And then I stuck some of the little hearts back in there. And this butterfly comes from, here. This is the In Full Bloom card making workshop, and it's a whole thing that you buy, and this is part of the workshop. May or may not still be available, but I love this butterfly. I am a sucker for the butterflies. I did use this stitch bracket thin cut. This is still available as well. And I used some of our silver foil paper. This paper was has some UV coating design in it. As you can see how it shimmers a little bit. We have a newer package available of colors that have this as well. This is from days gone by, but still good, and it worked beautifully and cut beautifully with the thin cut. The other thing I'm bringing in for this card is this stamp set. Let's see if I can slimline quotes and sentiments. And so there are several different sentiments. I've got this one here. May you receive many gifts, and may your day be joyous, and best of all, may you be surrounded by family and friends. May all you wish for come true. And then that's who it's quoted by. I just think those are really sweet, and I did not have any kind of stamps to work with the thin cuts. Okay, well, now that we got the housekeeping out of the way, I'll show you what's coming in your kit. You will get a slimline envelope. You will get the card base. This is an overlay panel that you will glue your hearts to. And then a little bunch of the hearts that cut out of here, as well as your butterfly. And your butterfly will be uncolored, so it's up to you to throw some color on your butterfly with whatever you want. And you will also get one of these little stitched panels there. I'm going to start right now with a little bit of the red marker, and I'm just giving a little bit of that dark color toward the middle there. You can see on the image where there's a lot more shading in the design. And then I'm coming in with the mid-tone of this marker. And squeaky, squeaky. I actually don't mind the squeakiness of markers. As I'm coloring, I am going over that darker color and bringing it out beyond with the medium tone. And then I am going to go into the lightest and to color that in, and I will draw that over that mid-tone so that it blends. I'm not going all the way out to the end on this one. I'm going to see how I like it. Squeaky, squeaky, squeaky. And you can draw that light over everything to blend it all together. Like that. I think that'll be good. Next thing we're going to do is I'm going to take that panel, and I'm using glue. You can use whatever floats your boat. I'm going around the perimeter, and I'll hit some highlights, some dabs of glue. You don't need a lot. And you probably don't even have to do any in the middles here if you don't want to. Would probably be fine, but I want to make sure that it's not sticking up on me. Okay, I'm gonna put that on its side. Give it a little pressure. And then I'm going to take the panel here and I'm going to find roughly the midpoint. Just like that. And then I'm going to glue into place some of these little hearts. So I think I'll go here, maybe here, maybe here, and just stick them in. If you want to, if you have a pair of tweezers, I'm going to try using our waxy pickup tool. See how that does. It just picks it up. Stick it in place. Pick up another one. Stick it in place. And then I think I will add some down here. One here, maybe one here, and maybe one up here, and one way over here. I think I will have given you plenty of these. Oop. There it goes. Sometimes the best tool is your finger. And we'll do one more. I think I got it filled in where I had all my little glue dots. There we go. Those you can save for shaker bits or whatever. And I am going to put a little glue just in the middle. I bent the butterfly a little bit to give it some dimension. I'm sticking it in there and I'm looking at my butterfly and I realize I didn't color the body of the butterfly, so I think I will just take, I don't know if this is the dark. We'll go with the dark. And I will just color that in a little bit. That looks pretty good. Oh, maybe a little bit on the head here. There. Very nice. So you've got that going on there. Now I'm going to put a little glue on the back of this panel and we will attach it to the card base. Just like that. And we will stamp. I'm going to grab this little pad and we'll put this right here. For the long part of the verse, I'm going to use charcoal ink. I thought the black was a little dark. And your card kits, this will come stamped in it. So down and up, and then I'm using Scarlet, which I think is a pretty close color to the color of the outside paper. And just like that, that card is put together and ready to go. Thank you so much for your business, for being my customers, and for your orders in March. Have a blessed, crafty day, and I will see you next time.